Let's make a pasta dish perfect for summer. This is bacon and sweet corn fettuccine, and it comes together in the blink of an eye. You've probably heard of carbonara, that bomb-ass black pepper dish that you've had before. I'm not saying it is a carbonara, because it's not, but it kind of rips it off. I got a little sweet corn, best in the summer. Stick it on its side. Let that sweet corn just kind of lay out and scrape the corn, and then stick this whole thing in your pasta water. Pasta water is gonna get corny in a really, really good way. Keep doing that. All the sweet corn you can gather right in. I've got bacon that's been crisping. No oil, no nothing. Right in. If you overcook it, it kind of starts to dry out, which sucks. Corn really just needs about a minute, 2 in the pan. We've got a nice rolling boil. I've got some fresh fettuccine. So fresh in, and now you're on the clock, right? So the corn's working, and now we have 2 ingredients that are crucial. About 4 eggs and about a good handful of Parmesan cheese. Now these eggs and the Parmesan are gonna kind of thicken the sauce. Take a look at this corn and bacon. Just a kiss of the heat. I'm gonna grab a bowl, dip it into my pasta sauce, and it's gonna deglaze the bottom of this. And that's actually gonna be the base to the sauce. Turn up the heat, get it really going. That's ready to go. Pasta is the bane of my existence. I could inject it into my vein. Fresh fettuccine, right in. So I'm gonna give it on the heat just for a sec. Now we're gonna take it to a whole nother consistency. Once you hear it talk to you, so turn off the heat, add in the egg and the Parmesan. You gotta work really quickly. Flip, 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 off the heat. If you don't do it off the heat, scrambled eggs. This is a joyous, very proud pasta dish. Finish with a little bit more parm. That is a beautiful summer pasta. Sweet corn, bacon, fettuccine. Give to me, put in my belly. See you next time. For more recipes, head to joelgamoran.com.